Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth system in this Ford Transit. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth's on. Then you can either go to, we'll go to menu this time, because you can go to phone, that's the easier way. Sync settings, click OK, Bluetooth on. You have to make sure there's a tick in there. If there's no tick in Bluetooth, you won't be able to do anything. So if you're having trouble pairing a phone, go back to this, the menu, the sync settings, and then make sure Bluetooth's on. Then you've got Bluetooth devices, click to Bluetooth devices, click OK. John's phone, those are the phones already, so you can connect those by clicking that button there, or we can add another phone, or we can delete a phone. So we'll go to add. Turn this back on.
Device and select sync once it is found.
We need to check for the bottom there. Sometimes it just comes up hands-free and then changes to sync, but no on this occasion. So sync.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
So that's 494222, 494222, pair, and then we have to click yes there. Waiting for phone confirmation. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I won't do it, but you will if you're using the van all the time. Pairing successful, that's it.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Set Barry's iPhone X as favourite phone, no. But all that means, download phone book, no. All that means set the favourite is if two of you get in and you've both got your phones paired, it's going to take yours. If yours is a favourite, it's going to connect yours.